If you're looking to have security cameras installed around your business, you may be wondering what are some of the best places to have them installed and where should they be aimed. In this video, we'll give you some helpful tips for getting the most out of your security camera system. Let's start with camera locations. If you've got a business to protect, you want to keep it safe from thieves and threats, both outside and inside the business. The first places you'll need to cover are the exits and entrances. These areas are going to give you the best chance at identifying potential suspects, and they can also be useful for monitoring your employees and customers. Cameras should be placed covering both the inside and outside of your main entrance to ensure complete coverage. Within different contrasting areas of light, your inside cameras will not be very good at showing what's happening outside, and your outside cameras won't show what's happening inside at all. Your fire exits are important too. We recommend having your outside dumpster within view of a camera, as these areas are often quiet and without many people to witness illegal dumping. It's best to place a camera here to avoid a serious blind spot and to ensure protection from improper use by trespassers and even employees. If your property is large, any blind spot in your perimeter is an easy entrance for thieves and wrongdoers, so make sure to cover as much of your property perimeter as possible. Another good spot for your cameras outside your business is your parking lot. From here, you can potentially catch license plates of thieves stealing from your business. Wherever you're placing your outside cameras, just remember that they need light to capture a clean and crisp image. If you're placing cameras in darker areas, such as behind your office, a camera with lights will capture more detail than one without. In addition, lights that trigger on motion can also act as a deterrence.
You are in the alert area. Please leave. You are in the alert area.
For your inside cameras, you'll want to think about where your high-risk areas are. New systems are being implemented to monitor the cash flow of shopping registers. These systems work by syncing camera systems to the cash register and recording each transaction with both the video from the camera and the data recorded from the cash register. These systems are proving very useful for business owners worried about internal theft. For this reason, we recommend having a camera pointed at your register to deter this behavior and prevent employees from installing card skimmers on your machines. You should also install cameras watching your stock rooms and office supply rooms. These areas hold goods that might be susceptible to theft. Another area to consider is break rooms and cafeterias, which are common spots for workplace harassment and disagreements. A camera placed in these rooms could prove useful for lawsuits that could arise from such issues and bring a sense of security to your employees. For larger commercial properties, elevators are also a useful place to install cameras. In case the elevator breaks down, a camera with two-way audio would be important to communicate to those who are trapped inside the elevator, to make sure everyone inside is safe, and to communicate when rescue will arrive. For installations, we always recommend a dedicated and registered security camera installer. We've heard stories in the past of electricians wiring up security systems and cameras for commercial properties, only for the building to be robbed without any alarm or security system activating. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video informative and entertaining. Please leave a like and comment, and we hope to see you in the next video.